lot. I am not what they think. I like it dirty, I be filthy with the rest of shade. She threw it at me, I hit it right down the fadeaway. Feel like somebody put a blue pill in my lemonade. I think that's how I ended up in the valley with this pain in my head. You know I'm came up from the bottom. You have no idea. You can't sweat through my store, no sir. Write my name in his store. Oh, what a night. Yeah, sing it. Almost had me down, came back to life. Hell yeah, for the night. Who's gonna stop me now? Oh, what a night. Yeah, I can't even lie. What a time to be alive. Drinks in the sky.
Let's learn What a Night Easy. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn What a Night Easy. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a big step to the right. Bring your left foot in and next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do a triple, stepping our right foot slightly to the right side. Step your left next to your right, step your right next to your left. We're now going to step our left foot forward into the left forward diagonal. Touch your right next to your left, and if you would like to clap, you can clap your hands. We're now going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal. Touch your left next to your right, and if you would like to, clap your hands. Let's try that with some counts. Stepping your right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're now going to repeat that to the left, but head backwards. So we're going to do a big step to the left. Step your right foot next to your left, taking weight onto your left foot. You're now going to do a triple, slightly stepping your left foot to the left side. Step your right next to your left, step your left next to your right. We're now going to step our right foot back into the right diagonal, touch your left next to your right and clap if you would like, and then step your left foot back into the left diagonal, touch your right next to your left and clap if you would like. Let's try that with some counts. Big step to the left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do 2 1/8 pivots, and if you would like to swing your hips around with these pivots, you can. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to swing your hips from left to right or counterclockwise, putting your weight onto your right foot and then settling back onto your left. You'll be facing about 10:30. We're now going to repeat that. We're going to step our right foot slightly forward, swing your hips around counterclockwise, putting your weight onto your right foot. Make that 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, settling down onto your left foot. You're now facing 9 o'clock. We're going to do toe struts with hips. So you're going to take your right toe, touch it forward, and as you touch it forward, you're going to bump your hip right, left, right, and step down onto that right foot. You're now going to do the same thing with the left. Touch your left toe forward, bump your left hip forward, back, forward, putting weight onto that left foot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight's on your left. We just touched our right next to our left, and you're doing those 2 little pivots. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. These next 8 counts are going to slightly travel backwards as you do them. We're going to cross our right over our left. You're going to step back with your left, and then we're going to do that triple that we did in the first section again, slightly stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, step your right next to your left. You're now going to cross your left over your right, step back with your right, and then we're going to do a triple with the left, slightly stepping your left foot to the side, step your right next to your left, step your left next to your right. Those triples happen in place, so you don't want them to move side to side. You're doing them on your spot. Let's try that last part with some counts. Crossing over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the end of the dance. All triples in this dance are happening on your spot, so you don't have to move in any direction. You're just doing a run, run, run in place when you do those. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time with steps and one time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're stepping our right foot to the side. Big step. Together, triple step, step forward, touch, and clap, step forward, touch, and clap to the left, left. Together, triple step, back, touch, and clap, back, touch, and clap. 1/8 pivot, 1/8 pivot, toe strut with hips, toe strut with hips. Cross, back, triple in place, cross, back, triple in place. Let's try it with some counts. Traveling to the right, big step to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now, let's talk about some styling. The dance is nice and easy. It's great for a variety of dancers. Some of the styling that you can add that I like to add in this dance is when I do that big step to the right, sometimes I like to do a glide to the right, like a big lunge and a slide. Sometimes I like to step and I like to bring both knees to the side and do a little bit of a funky step to the side into my triple step. Both of those are totally fine. Something else that I like to do is when I'm doing the cross backs, I kind of like to bend my knees, so I go like bend and I kind of push my butt back a little bit on that back step and then do my triple step just to make it a little more fun. But again, you don't have to. These are all options. So now let's go all the way around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to use our counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing that big step to the right. Right, together, triple in place, forward touch and clap, forward touch and clap. Left side, together, left, triple in place, back touch and clap, back touch and clap. 1/8 pivot, 1/8 pivot, toe strut with bumps. Now cross it over, cross, back, triple in place, cross, back, triple in place to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 to the right, right. Together and triple in place, forward touch to the left, left, together, triple in place, back touch to little pivots, step, little pivot, toe strut with bumps, cross it over, cross, back, triple in place, cross, back, triple in place to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. It's a fun song, so add your extra styling in. Do whatever you would like to do to make it fit you and your vibe. But I hope this helped you learn What a Night easy. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.